it's Alex, and I'm here today at Very End Classics. Can't see because I took my sunglasses off. The plan today is pretty boring, really. I don't think I'll do much filming. I'm going to be sanding my P6 wings down. So basically, I've got 4 new wings for Mr. Jenkins. And they've all got, well, 3 of them have got grey paint on. One's blue and full of filler by the looks of it, which I'll show you later. So this one here on the bench, so it's a bit dark. It's got a few sort of chips in the paint here and there, you know. Obviously I need the wing to go purple anyway. And you got the rough edges here. I've got to sand all that so it's all smooth. So Lyndon's just started this bit for me, just to give me an idea what I'm looking for. So I've got to do all 4 panels, if I can. My arm will probably ache. I've had them blasted around the light unit and inside the wings by Matt from MB Engineering in Malvern, because he does soda blasting. Well, I don't think it's soda, it's vapour blasting, sorry. He uses ceramic beads and glass beads to blast away rust and paint and all sorts. And I got him to do all the little intricate areas and inside the wing, just to make sure we get rid of as much rust as we can. Wow, it's took me all day. I've had to take quite a bit off to get it nice and smooth. But it's a really good wing, that. Nearly finished the sanding. I've just got to do the awkward bits. I've got to do the bit along here, on this side, and a bit down here. And Lyndon's got a few little holes to weld up, little pinprick holes. And then it'll be ready for primer. Lyndon is a brilliant mechanic and welder, but not so good with frozen curry in plastic pots.
Yum!
Why didn't you put the gloves on? You're gross. You should put the gloves on.
I'm not hungry anymore.
My curry's fine. Mine's in the oven there. Hello. Apparently, I hold scissors weird. What do you think? This is how I use scissors. I'm left-handed, and that's how I've always held scissors, like this. But apparently I'm meant to hold them like that. But that feels weird to me. This is the way I've always held them. Sometimes I'll put 2 fingers there, or I'll just put like that. So we've only got these long bits of sandpaper left, so I've just had to cut 2 of them to make one disc for the DA. I've just realised I've cut 2 different sizes as well. That's a 180 and that's an 80. Oh, he's clever, he is. There you go. I've got two 80s now. So that's it all done with the 80 grit paper. Now I'm going to go over it with a... What grade am I going to do now, Lyndon?
I think it's a 120, is it?
120. 120 grit I go over it again with. And then, well, it's weld up the holes and get some primer on it. Probably not today, though.
5 hours later.
Well, that's enough sanding for one day. All this here, this was blasted by Matt with the vapor blaster. He got all up into the awkward areas for me. All up in the light unit and stuff. But the rest of it I've been sanding with that epoxy machine that's vibrated my brain. Turn it over, you can see what it looks like. Now I've done the I used 180 grit in the end, so it's all smooth. Although it looks patchy, it's actually really smooth. Importantly, no rust. Now, I haven't looked in the mirror, but Lyndon has told me that I must show you my face. So, you're the first one to see what I look like, apart from Lyndon. Apparently I look a bit grubby. I mean, my overalls are extremely dusty. I need a good wash, so I imagine my face is similar. That'll do for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.